Are you responsible for the production of pharmaceutical products such as vaccines? What if you suddenly find something unexpected, some foreign material or particles in one of the vials coming out of your production? We know it is about acting fast. You identify affected lots, the production is put on hold, and this is where SAXOCON comes in to help you. We analyze the impurity, identify its potential hazard, and evaluate the risk. Time is money, and you will get an answer as fast as possible. With SAXOCON as your partner, you benefit from having all expertise under one roof, and your problem can be solved very quickly. Our assessment is based on our own analysis and in-house experience, and using our protocols, we gather the relevant and sufficient data needed for the risk assessment. Even before the sample arrives at our lab, our toxicologists and pharmaceutical production experts help you ask and answer the right questions. Call us today to learn more about our services and our service level agreement to secure fast and smooth processing of unexpected findings in your production. SAXOCON, your toxicology partner.